Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Chapter 2 Globe. Students, as you know, already we completed globe, location, latitudes, and important latitudes, thermal zones, longitudes. Today, we will learn about measuring time, local time, standard time, and international dateline. Let us see one by one. Measuring time. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth. The sun regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally, it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. For ages, time has been measured by the movement of the earth and the position of the sun in the sky. When the sun is right overhead, it is noon. As the earth rotates and the position of the sun changes, it shines overhead on each longitude at different times. Therefore, places on different longitudes have noon at different times. All the places on a given meridian of longitude will have the same time. The time can be measured in the following manner. The earth rotates 360 degrees in about 24 hours, which means 1 degree in every 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time is at 30-degree eastern side of Greenwich will be 30 into 4 is equal to 120 minutes. Example, 2 hours ahead of Greenwich time, 2 p.m. At 30-degree western side of Greenwich, the time will be behind 2 hours. Example, it will be 10 a.m. Is it clear? Look at this image of latitude and longitude lines. Latitude. Lines of latitude go across the earth from east to west, but they measure the globe from north to south starting at the equator. Look at this image where it is their equator, as you know already. So here it is equator. So latitude lines cross the earth from east to west, but they measure the globe from north to south starting at the equator. Next, longitude. Lines of longitude run across the globe from north to south, but measure east and west starting at the prime meridian. In this image, where it is their prime meridian, look at here it is their prime meridian. Lines of longitude run across the globe from north to south but measure east and west starting at the prime meridian. Is it clear, students? What is meant by local time? The local time of a place is determined with reference to the position of the sun in the sky. When all places on the same meridian of longitude have noon, it is considered as their local time. Look at this image. Who is he? Sir Sanford Fleming. In 1870s, he designed a plan for a worldwide standard time, which is very much the same as the one we have now. Time zones. A time zone is a narrow belt of the Earth's surface which has an east-west extent of 15 degrees of longitude. The world has been divided into 24 standard time zones. Is it clear? Why is standard time needed for every country? The local time of the standard meridian is taken as the local time for the whole country. The concept of standard time for the whole country is needed because time varies with change in longitudes. If all places on different meridians follow their own local time, there would be confusion and chaos. In India, the longitude of 82 and of east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. Next, international dateline. Define international dateline. It is an imaginary line on the surface of the earth going from east to west in the Pacific Ocean. Look at this image. There will be zigzag line on the globe. This zigzag line, international date line. Actually, this international date line is not a straight line. Why international date line is zigzag? It is an imaginary line like longitudes and latitudes. So, the date changes as soon as one crosses this line. To avoid any confusion of date, this line is drawn through where the sea lies and not land. Hence, the international dateline is drawn as in a zigzag manner. Is it clear, students? Today we covered measuring time, local time, standard time, and time zones, international dateline. That's all for today class. Hope you all understood. We will meet in the next class. Till then, revise the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.